Hello everyone, this video is about how to repost on TikTok. Since this is a new feature on TikTok, first of all you need to go to your Play Store or App Store so that you can update your TikTok application. Another thing you need to know, if you see this feature not appearing on your video, first ensure that you have logged in your account so that you can access the repost feature. So let's dive into the video right quick. If you happen to fall onto some interesting video or funny or educating, whichever, so what you need to do, if you want to repost that video, tap the share icon on the right side of your screen, that arrow, you know it very well. So once you tap that share icon, this screen gonna pop up. The menu is gonna pop up. So in the top left, you're gonna see the repost icon over there. Then just tap it. That's how they do repost on TikTok. You can also add a comment after reposting. Yeah, vibe it out. Thanks for watching the video. I hope to see you next time.